This is the Vintage Coach Diplomat Briefcase, style number 5170, and it's obviously, as you can see, in the color black, and it was made in the original New York City factory sometime in the 1980s. So as you can see, it does have a top handle up here, and this one doesn't have a shoulder strap. The sides just look like this, so there's no hardware attachment with where a strap would have gone, so this one just comes with the top handle. So that's how you'd carry it. And as you can see, it's got two front turn lock pieces here, so that's how you would open the inside of the bag. And then when we open it, it does have two pretty big front pockets under the front flap. And then here's what the sides look like again. And then here's the back of the bag. As you can see, this one doesn't have a back pocket, which I've noticed is typically the case for bags made during this time period. And then I'll open the bag again so you can see the inside. So like I mentioned, it has these two front pockets under this flap here. And then the inside of the briefcase, as you can see, it has two separate sections, and then this little hanging pocket inside that also has the Coach Creed. So you can see that the bag is authentic. So it's got a couple pocket options, like I mentioned, this little hanging back pocket, and then these two separate sections, and then these two front pockets here. So a couple different pockets for you. So that's the Diplomat Briefcase, and if you are interested in checking out this bag further, our store link to this item will be below in the description box, so you can check it out there. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.